Yeah, I thought the event was fantastic. It was a great group of people, technologists, engineers, business folks, and it was really just a great networking session. And the education from the top panelists were just really phenomenal. The level of talent was second to none, really, at one of these events that I had seen.
Eric Windehouse, Sales Director of Applied Plastics. Wanted to thank the team with US Extruders as well as Arburg for hosting this event. When I looked out through the audience and I paid attention, people were taking notes, people were engaged, and most importantly, I think people learned from this experience.
Yeah, had a really good time at the event today. Learned a lot. It was great to get knowledge from just different industries, different companies, many years of experience. I took away a lot of information on not just extrusion process, a little bit of silicone, also the catheter manufacturing. It was great to listen to the panels of such talented people.
Hi, my name is Scott Larson, Vice President of Engineering Project Management at Spectrum Plastics. I was one of the panelists on the event today. I thought the event was fantastic. It was well attended, well moderated. The thing that I liked about it was good discussion within the panel and with the audience. And attending some of the others too, I found out from an extrusion and a silicone perspective, just a better understanding of the materials that we get when we're developing our catheters.
Hi, I'm Kevin Schaefer, attended the Mpp West. Took away some good things. A lot of things I didn't know about silicone, implantables, things like that. I'm mainly a tubing guy, so I've always lived in that thermoplastic world, we'll say. So it was very, very informative.
The event was fantastic. Great crowd, knowledgeable crowd, lots of good questions, and lots of new information and exchange. I learned a lot today, so I was very happy.